Hola everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Jesus and this is Weirdo Beauty. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to get these cute glitter heart nails. While Valentine's Day is over, I did promise at least one more nail art video inspired by that. The nail polish I'm using for today's video is the Peely Base by Hollow Taco, the White Kiss polish named French White, the Sally Hansen Extreme Wear Invisible polish, the Glossy Taco by Hollow Taco, and some red and purple hexagon holographic glitter. If you're ready, let's get started with this tutorial. As always, I start off with my base coat, and since I'm using glitter today, a peel-off base coat works great to remove it when you need to switch up your nails. Next, I apply the white polish to all of my nails, and this polish requires 2 to 3 coats to be fully opaque. Now once that dried, I am taking the clear polish and applying it in sections of my nail. And taking red glitter on a toothpick, I slowly start to form a heart shape. And I want it to be almost as big as my nail. Now this step does require patience and precision, so if you mess up, it's okay. You can always move the glitter around since clear polish doesn't dry as fast as a top coat. Now once I formed the heart, I'm repeating the same steps with purple glitter, but I'm making a smaller heart inside of the red heart. This is why I wanted to make the first heart pretty big, so I could fit another heart inside of it. The smaller heart will be much easier to do than the big heart. Once I'm done, I topped off my nails with a good coat of the glossy top coat. And this nail tutorial is complete! If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, watch another video, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. I'll leave links to my Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and TikTok if you want to follow me on there as well. I'll see you on the next one. Adios!